In this video, we'll take a look at how you open a Kami assignment and turn it in from within Schoology. In order for this to work, as we said in the previous video, you have to have installed the Kami Chrome extension first. I've already done that. I can see it up here on my extensions bar. And if it didn't show here, it might be in the puzzle piece. So if you want to check to see if you have it installed, look up here first. If you see the little K, you have it, or click on this little puzzle piece and see if it's in there. You don't actually have to click and open it though. We just need to make sure you have it installed. So if you have it installed and your teacher creates an assignment in Schoology that gives you the option to open it in Kami, here's what it's going to look like. So I'm going to come to a course and find an assignment that was created that way to show you what that looks like. When I open it, here's how you can see if it's a Kami assignment. It's pretty obvious. Notice this. What this is a PDF that your teacher added, but they did it in a manner that will allow you to open it up with Kami, which gives you a lot of different tools that you can use to write on it or type on it or draw on it from right within Schoology. So let's click on this. An important thing to know is that when you go to do this assignment, do not click on the PDF. If you click on the PDF, you're just going to see a copy of that PDF downloaded to your computer. That is not what we want. What we want to do is click on this button. What it will do the first time you use it is open this window. From here, you would click Log in or Sign up with Google, because remember, we use Upper Darby Google accounts for just about everything. Now, in my case, it didn't ask me to approve it or anything. Most likely, you won't have to do that. But if some little message pops up, it might ask you to click and approve it. If so, just do that. This is something that we have purchased and we know is safe. So as you can see, it opens up the PDF in Kami. And along the left-hand side, you can see all of these different tools that you have to work on it. Another thing to know is if you look at the top here, you'll notice the Google Drive icon here, and then Kami Schoology, and then the name of the assignment. Notice what it did is it automatically put this in your Google account, your Upper Darby Google account, in a folder. It made a folder for you called Kami Schoology, I think it says Schoology Assignments, and then it put your name in the front of the assignment and then the name of the assignment. What ends up in your Google Drive is a PDF of what you did. So whatever you turn in, there will be a PDF copy of it in your Google Drive. Also notice at the top that you can zoom in to make it larger or smaller. You can also print if you wish, but that won't be necessary in most situations. But the button that is the most important is this one. When it's time to turn it into your teacher, you would click this button, which would send your work to your teacher to grade. Realize that that is how you would turn it in. You don't even need to go back into Schoology to do that. To show you the entire turn-in process, I've already done some edits on this document. So I'm going to come up here to the Turn-In button and click it. It will take what you did and make it into a PDF to give to your teacher. Any additional edits after that will not be seen by the teacher. Here it's showing you where the file is located. It's in my Google Drive in a folder called Kami Schoology Assignments. We don't want to move it. We want to keep it in that folder. It said that it saved all changes, and I'm just going to click Turn It In. If I wanted to download it, just so I had a copy of it, I could, but there's really no reason to do that. So let's click Turn In. Depending on how large it is, it might take a few minutes. Notice it brings you back into Schoology, and it created this little upload response to submit it. So all I have to do is click Submit, and I can see that it was submitted. If I click on this title here, Assignment Submitted, I can see what it ended up looking like to the teacher. So this is how the teacher will see it. I always suggest that you click on it to see what the teacher saw, like what did I actually turn in. So the teacher would then grade that, and the grade would go right into the Schoology gradebook. In another video, I'll show you how to use all of the tools that are in Kami so that you know how to write on, draw, and even record an audio or video recording right on that PDF. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.